listening to SPHS Radio 20.5 FM. It's me, RJ Dikshit, and with me, RJ Rubakat. Cool news! Karnataka Hijabro High Schools colleges closed for 3 days. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi says dress code must be followed. Breaking news! Tamil Nadu Assembly re-adopts bill against NÉET. News to urban access then it is political. PM Modi is blessing attacks on Congress in Rajya Sabha. World news! North Korea missile program founded through stolen crypto, UN report says. COVID news! Highlights with declining COVID cases, restrictions to be eased in Kerala. General knowledge. Friends, today we are going to know about Teri Dam. Teri Dam located on the Bhagirathi River, Uttarachal, now become Uttarakhand. Teri Dam is the highest dam in India with a height of 261 meters and the 8th tallest dam in world. The high rock and earth-filled embankment dam first phase was completed in 2006 and other two phases are under construction. The dam water reservoir used for irrigation, municipal water supply and generation of 1000 MW of hydroelectricity. Let's move to today's weather report. Today temperature is 29 degrees Celsius in flat partly cloudy. Today wind is light. Today sunrise at 6:44 AM. Today sunset at 6:24 PM. Thank you, Bharat. Let's sign off with me, RJ Rubakat from SPHS Radio 10.5.